Welcome to Inverurie. Keep your eyes on the sky. If you're carrying chips, you're already marked. Over granite streets, cold rain falling sideways. One paper bag, one fish supper, one very bad decision. Every rooftop has a witness, every chimney hides a judge. The air falls silent, even the pigeons leave, then the wings arrive. They don't want your money, they don't want your pride, they only want what's inside that bag. Welcome to the kingdom of the seagulls. The sky is hungry, the streets belong to them. Pay the food tax or pay in blood. Drop the chips, save your face. Run, seagull scat. Squeak, go, squeak, crawl, crawl, skip, unwraps fresh chips. The locals all stop walking. The church bell rings once, nobody looks up. They already know. An old man sighs, poor soul. Then the clouds start flapping. Some fear ghosts, some fear death. Scotland fears lunchtime. Welcome to the kingdom of the seagulls. They own the roof, they own the streets, they own your dinner. No escape, no mercy, no second helping. Turn it that quiet. Die. Seagull scots. Back here, every traveler learns the same lesson. You can hide your wallet, hide your phone, hide your dignity, but never your chips. Welcome to the Granite Meltdown. They rule the sky, they rule the streets, they rule the chippy. Every crumb, every fry, every bite belongs to them. I reached the station, the last train was waiting. One shadow crossed the platform, a single gull landed beside me. It tilted its head, almost smiling. Then it whispered, relax. You were never leaving with that supper. The bagpipes screamed.